Welcome to Three Mountains Regional Hospital. Here, we strive to put our patients first. This presentation is given to all of our patients to be aware of what our staff and environment is from admission to discharge. Our ethics and values of our organization are something that we hold our staff to each and every day. Our staff strives to perform to the best of their business and personal ethics in order to be the best for our patients. We take pride in our mission and values, and we want each patient to understand a care of comfort. We want to know that our staff members have the same mission and value as our facility. Our facility has created their own code of ethics in order to create a culture of integrity. Some of our code of ethics include the following. All patients have the right to be treated with warmth, respect, and dignity in order to provide care that is both necessary and appropriate. Our staff members are committed to the delivery of safe, effective, efficient, compassionate, and satisfying care and services regardless of race, color, national origin, sex, gender identity, sexual orientation, disability, or religion. All staff members understand and comply with all government regulations and rules, TMRH policies, and facility practices that help promote hospital health and safety. These policies are created in order to protect our patients and staff from potential hazards and to keep the patient safe overall. Employees in our facility collect information about the patient's medical condition, medical history, medications, family illnesses, in order to provide the appropriate amount of care. Policies and procedures are implemented in order to facilitate accurate billing to all payer and patients. We do not allow our staff to knowingly present in any type of medical information or billing claims that are false, fictitious, or fraudulent. Any type of communication systems, whether it's computers, internet, company-provided phones, or voicemail, are primarily used for business purposes. Our staff is not authorized to use any type of social media to view, post, store, transmit, download, or distribute anything threatening towards the facility or to our patients. Any type of funding or resources that are not contributed to individual political campaigns, political parties, or any political organizations directly from the hospital. We do not allow for any political parties to fund our facility. We aim to remain neutral between all parties and do not deny care based on your own political party of your choosing. Our staff and physicians are obligated to be sure they remain free of conflicts of interest in the performance of their responsibilities at TMRH. However, if you feel that your medical decisions are questionable and unreasonable during your care from start to finish, that individual can be removed from your care in your treatment plan. Upon admission, you should have obtained an intake packet. The purpose of this intake packet is to provide patients with a knowledge of what resources that we have in our facility. This packet can be used at any point in time during the facility, and we encourage all of our patients to read through this packet to give yourself a feel of the atmosphere that our staff strives for. Our staff will be able to answer any and all questions that you have with each document. There are four components of the intake packet. The first one is the welcoming letter. Second, hospital code of ethics. Third, medical living will sample. And finally, the acknowledgement form. Three Mountains privacy policy consists of the following. Three Mountains Regional Hospital is committed to each patient on protecting the privacy of any health information that we create or receive. Any health information that identifies you as the patient is kept private and is only used in your care. Protected health information can include your medical information, payment of care, or any demographic information. For our patients, this means that any information, whether it's personal or medical, that can be used as an identifier is not disclosed to the public. Our staff understands that each patient wants their privacy and aims to disclose what information is only needed in their care. Any disclosure of any type of patient information from our staff will result in further disciplinary action or termination. HIPAA. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act is a U.S. law designed to provide privacy standards to protect patients' medical records and other health information that is provided. Every member of our staff at Three Mountains Regional Hospital is held to the highest level of confidentiality, regardless of job title. Each piece of health information is created as sensitive and restricted. Those staff members who fail to comply with confidentiality policies will result in immediate termination. For our patients, this means that we are held by the government in the United States to keep your information private. Our staff is educated each year on what exactly HIPAA is and understands the risks of what one was to disclose patient information. Also, our electronic medical record system has the technology to detect when fraudulent activity is happening and alerts our information technology department. We encourage all of our patients, upon admission to discharge, to sign our acknowledgement receipt form. This is the very last page in the intake packet. This allows our staff to know that our patients fully understand how this packet can be used to their benefit. If you have any questions, our staff is more than welcome to provide any further explanations to any questions that you have. Thank you, and welcome to Three Mountains Regional Hospital.